So this video is going to be pre-date, probably back to end of February or so. So I came up with an idea to mix improv and idea generation. I'm going to call it Ideaprov, and I think this is going to be the journal for it. It's currently mid-May, but I'm going back to do these all at one time. So we'll see how it turns out. And then, so this will just kind of be the documentation as the road, trials and tribulations as it kind of goes through. So I came up with the idea. The kind of thought for it was because of the fact that I had a greenhouse project that I was really kind of passionate about, but I realized that it was really difficult to get people to get engaged with it, especially in the workplace, because it took away from their work. So I decided to kind of pivot it and change what I was going after. Hopefully for me, I'm really into the thought partnership aspect of it. I've always kind of found that to be very pleasurable for me, and then also been really good at just really good at doing the work too. I've always gotten really good feedback about, being open-minded and being able to help coax ideas out of people. So I decided to kind of pursue this like all the way through and kind of make a good journey of it. So it's going to be kind of an on-the-fly type podcast that will help solve problems in the community. Everything from large and small physical inventions to being healthier, feeding kids in Africa, anything, kind of you name it, just as long as, like parties come together, kind of like a little bit of a jam session or an improv, or where things just kind of flow and click and looking for that aha moment. So I'm going to try and kind of create that and see what best kind of comes out of it. I think the value pieces for it is, I think it'll be really good for people from Wonderment, just kind of stretch their brain a little bit, and I'll have some fun with that. Second one is I think I'm going to make all of the ideas or any solutions that come out of it completely free and open source. So anybody can use it and do whatever they want with it, which will kind of build like a little bit of an ecosystem, and it's going to build a lot of positivity. And then second, I definitely have some co-creators and stuff that'll jump on board for the sessions. Hopefully minimum one. Sometimes I'll do some by myself, but then I'm hoping to get into a habit of where I can get at least three, maybe four, if that works well. And then get those people to all kind of co-create at the same time. And I think that'll really kind of lead to some really good results over time. So those three pieces I'm hoping will kind of create a little bit of a following, and then start to push it out on kind of social media. So as these journal entries proceed on, I think we'll just kind of extrapolate on them and see how it goes.